Welcome. NOAA has just issued its July of 2020 US climate report, and this video is a summary of that report. This is a summary chart of the significant climate anomalies for the month of July in the continental United States. Overall, the country was about 2 degrees Fahrenheit above average, ranking it as the 11th warmest July on record. Precipitation was slightly above normal, but even so, an extra 7% of the country was deemed to be in drought. The temperature in Death Valley on the 12th of July reached 128 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the warmest temperature reported anywhere in the continental United States since July 2013. On the other coast, Baltimore, which is just down the road from where I lived, reported its warmest July on record, with 25 days of temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit during the month. Minnesota recorded its first EF4 tornado in nearly 10 years. And in the meantime, we've had a slew of tropical storms and hurricanes threatening the United States. More on that later. We have here a map of the continental United States showing the departure from average temperature for each county in the country. Dark red indicates record high temperatures, dark blue indicates record low temperatures. Now, as you can see, we have temperatures overall well above average, and when you average all that out, it was 2.1 degrees Fahrenheit above the average temperature, making it the 11th warmest July on record. You can see in the southwest we have a large number of high temperature records set, and the same in the northeast and mid-Atlantic region. The rest of the country is above normal or well above normal in temperature. There's just one area that shows slight cooling, and that's Montana and Idaho. Let's compare the maximum daily temperatures with the minimum daily temperatures. Now, on the left we have the maximum temperatures, and they will generally occur during the daytime. And on the right we have the minimum daily temperatures, and they will typically occur at night. And you'll notice there's a distinct difference in the pattern. Particularly look at the Gulf Coast round about Mississippi, Louisiana and Arkansas. On the daytime temperatures, those are slightly below normal or normal. However, at night in those three states, not only are these temperatures above normal or well above normal, we're even setting records in some places where we had cooler than average daytime temperatures. This is a unique signature of greenhouse gas warming, that the nighttime temperatures will increase faster than the daytime temperatures, and that's what we're seeing here. Another way to look at this is to compare the number of high temperature daily records with the number of lows. If the highs are exceeded by the lows, then you have a cooling planet, or vice versa, you have a warming planet. So let's take a look at the numbers. The number of record daily highs in the continental United States in the month of July was 4,904. The number of record daily lows in that period was 895. That's a ratio of over 5 to 1. We can also look at the ratio of all-time records set, and that was 128 new all-time high temperature records compared with 0 all-time low temperature records. As I mentioned before, 28% of the country was considered to be in drought. That's a 7% increase over June. Most of that change seems to be in the southwest, particularly in Southern California and in the Central Valley, all the way across the country into the western half of Texas. The rest of the country seems to be a mixed bag, with some heavier precipitation in the center part of the country and some average or slightly drier than average in the eastern half of the country. NOAA has just upgraded its forecast for the 2020 hurricane season to be very active. And one can understand why based on the number of tropical storms we've had so far. In July we added another 5. Tropical Storm Edward was the earliest 5th named storm on record in the North Atlantic. Tropical Storm Faye formed on July 9th and was the earliest for the 6th named storm in the Atlantic. Tropical Storm Gonzalo was the earliest recorded 7th named storm in the Atlantic. Hurricane Hannah was the earliest 8th named storm. And Hurricane Isaias became the earliest 9th named storm on record, and with its landfall in August 4th, it became the earliest 5th named storm to make landfall in the United States. Are you seeing a pattern here? And that's all I have for this month. Stay safe, and goodbye until next time.